Hello, my name is Vas and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can practice FPV in simulator. And for this you're going to need DJI FPV manual controller or any other manual controller FPV. You're going to need a USB Type-C if you're going to use a laptop from MacBook or from Apple, sorry, and an adapter as well. What you're going to need as well is any application like Lift or Uncrashed, so you can practice FPV. If you don't have them, you're gonna have to buy them online. I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. Let's start with downloading the app for FPV practice. So now we're gonna go on Google and type download Liftoff, the one I'm using it, and we'll do that for Mac. Well, if you're gonna use PC, you'll make sure you type PC. And as you can see here, I got first link. Just click on it, and well, send it to a link which is from Liftoff. Now you just click store and buy on Steam. Click on buy on Steam, and after that you're gonna have to go. It's about £17. You're gonna have to pay for that. So basically, you're gonna have to buy Liftoff. So add to cart and just continue purchase. Just click purchase myself for yourself, I guess, and you're gonna have to log in and finish the payment. Once you finish the payment, you'll be able to download the Steam app as well, and I'm gonna show you. Once you're gonna log into your Steam, that's how it's gonna look. Well, I don't play games, so my library is quite empty. So you're gonna have the Liftoff application within Steam app, and whenever you wanna play, just click play, and it'll gonna ask you if you wanna play default or different thing. I never tried it, and yeah, I think once you've done that, just click play, and make sure you plug your FPV controller, both ends, and now you can just click play, wait for application to run. You don't need to do anything else to the manual controller, you'll run it yourself. Just make sure you switch it on, just in case it doesn't work for you. So here you go. Now you can choose how do you want to play. I usually choose free flight, so it's loading now. And my favorite map is oh. Oh, I can't find it. Oh, Panda City. Yeah. Just click play. Choose your drone. And here you go. Now you can just click default again. And now you can practice, play. It's nothing complicated. And yeah, you need to make sure you've got a powerful laptop for this. Otherwise, you might not run smoothly. So yes, guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, and if you have any questions, yeah, just ask below. Thank you.